Rico Copeland.
All right, so the quick benefit of renting a sneaker bot, we're kind of looking at some prices on sneaker bots. These are some of the most coveted sneaker bots, some of the most expensive, and you can see here like $2,500 for Swift. Like here we see Cyber goes for $6,600. Wrath is worth 6 racks. Soul AIO, which is I'm about to get into that AIO, but this one is $2,400. Balco $2,000. So you see that these bots are not cheap and they are somewhat expensive. But like I said, I'm about to show you and walk you through how to get a sneaker bot for as little as $5. And that's of course through the practice of renting sneaker bots. Now, when you're renting bots, you can get them as low as $5 a day. And I'm going to go ahead and get into showing you how by walking you through it and actually renting a bot live in this video. And look, if you watch this video to the end, comment on this video and then share it on your social media, I will give a winner. I'll do a giveaway for a free rental on me, right? So the platform I'm going to be renting on today is Tidal Marketplace, right? And I'll have this link in the description. Now, it's important to note that I am in no way, shape, or form affiliated with Tidal Market. This is just the most effective solution that I know since WAP has gone out. So I'm joining this server and boom, you see in here is pretty cut and dry, right? Hit if you do Zelle. Of course, we're going to read this and we're going to submit. I do Venmo, Cash App, and I do want the Amazon roll. I'm interested in that, so I'm going to click that. Now, middleman fees and all of that, that's not going to be relevant right now. However, I'll give you a brief explanation. So you got people who own copies of this bot and are renting it out. And then you got people who connect me or you who's wanting to rent it. And they kind of go over the fees, right? Here's all the supported bots, right? All the bots that we could rent. This is an insane amount. I mean, Dispersion, this is an account creating bot, I believe. But like CyberSoul, those $6,000 bots that we were seeing, they cover all these bots. Wrath, all of them, right? So boom, payment methods, we already talked about this. Announcements, minor, all that. So let's look at rentals. No matter if you're a buyer or seller, if you are someone with a bot that isn't using it, why not make some side income? So this is telling you pretty much how to rent, whether you're renting it out or renting it. And then these are all the different, boom, want to rent software. This is people who want to rent out this bot. So WTRO means want to rent out. So this is for June or daily, right? For the month of June, you can rent Wrath, which is a $6,000 bot for $60, right? So I believe there's 31 days in June. 60 divided by 31. That's almost as low as $2 a day, right? So there's a Nike bot that I've been wanting to rent out for a long time. It's called TSB. I've used Sneakers and it's $20 for the entire month, right? Now I'm curious to know how much TSB costs. So it's $300 a year, which honestly isn't bad. So I'm gonna do that, right? So let's go back to the server guide to figure out how to do this. It has a video and then boom, here I see new listing. They've actually got it from now until June 30th for $5. I'm gonna go ahead and click here to purchase and boom, now I'm on their website. And this reminds me of how WAP used to be. So this kind of walks us through how it works. It is compatible with my Mac and I was wrong, right? So if I wanted it for 30 days, it would be, wow, at $150 at $5 a day. So if I wanted it for the month, I would probably go to my boy over here in Discord. But since I'm doing it for one day, just to show y'all, I'm going to go ahead and do it like this. I'm going to go ahead and hit pay. Walk me through everything. Walk me through everything. Okay, I got it. Accept the terms. Proceed to checkout. Make sure I'm logged in. I don't have an account, so I'm going to sign up. So then boom, I'm going to go ahead and connect my Discord account. And I wonder, did they put that in my cart or do I have it all over? Which I do. So you know what? Instead of using TSB, I'm going to use Sneakers, right? And what I'm going to do, actually, I'm not going to just waste. I'm not going to just dry do that. I'm going to wait till something live comes. But I'm going to schedule it, right? So I'm still going to buy it in this video. Oh, okay. So boom. I'm going to wait till these drop. 7/21. That's a long way out. Oh, I think the Volt, I think these are decent, right? So these are the 14th. So I'm gonna come over here, do this for 14th. So I want it 14th. Nope, it's 14th at 4. So we're gonna do the 13th. So I'll get it the day before at 4. That release is gonna happen in the morning. And boom, we're gonna do this for $5. So now I'm gonna go ahead and pay. All right, now boom, I got it. I've got this set in for June 14th. And what I'm gonna do, honestly, if you want this rental or you wanna use another bot, just go ahead and do what I said at the beginning of this video, and this rental can be yours, right? So now if I'm a beginner and I've never played with a sneaker bot, the next thing I do is go on YouTube and just watch sneaker tutorials, right? Boom. So I want to kind of show y'all, the different types of bots, right? Because with Yeezy coming back, right? Shoes that kill on Yeezys, that kill on Adidas, Balco, NSB, foot sites, right? Bots that cook foot sites. They got freebie bots, retail, right? So if you're looking for, PS5s or limited GPU items and stuff like that, these type of bots do that. Of course, the Yeezy supply actual bots. These bots go crazy on Yeezy Day. Finish Line, Haya, I've got to look into that bot. And there's just several different bots in here, several different types of bots. Now, the next thing you need to do is stay informed on what's coming out, when it's dropping. We got sneaker calendars in my group. We got sneaker important, like all the most important stuff in my cook group. As far as proxies go, you can use Proxy Chimp. If you do, I have a code where you can get 40% off, which I will include in this video. And for speed's sake, if you want like the speed, then I would also advise that you use like a server, but we gonna cover that in the next video, man. Rico gang, let me know what y'all think. I love y'all. Let's get it.